Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dust to Shine. Today I'm super excited to share this video with you guys because I'm sharing my home with you after work. I've been working from home since March, but normally that is not the case. My workday starts at 8:30 and ends at 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. So leave me a comment down below and let me know. When do you guys like to clean your house? Do you like to get up early and clean it in the morning before you go to work if you work outside your home, or do you like to clean it in the evenings? I'd like to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Veronica. I'm a full-time working mom of two. I do cleaning motivation videos as a full-time working mom and wife. So I'd love for you to subscribe so that we can share tips and real life moments in the comments down below. The first thing I did was put all of the dishes away because I had done them the night before and I already had my sink full of dishes and ready for another load. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, what is your routine after work? Today I have these new cleaning gloves that one of my sisters gave me, along with this cleaning brush. I love the brush because you can fill up the handle with dish soap and brush away. While I was washing dishes, I got a really bad odor, and at first I thought it was my garbage disposal, but then I realized it was my dishwasher. It just smelled so horrible. I used some of the Lysol with bleach and scrubbed it with a sponge. Let me know, what do you guys use to clean your dishwasher? So now that my dishwasher is clean, I'm going to get it ready to use. I use the Cascade dishwasher soap and I add Finish to help with not leaving stains on the glasses. I've been using these two combinations for a long time and I love them both. Now you're going to see me dry my sink, even though I don't know why I dry it because I keep on using it. I don't know what it is, something about having a nice clean dry sink that's so satisfying to me. Do you guys do the same? In this cabinet, I had so many coffee mugs that they didn't even fit anymore. It seems like I always go for the same ones, so I quickly organized them and put the other ones away in a different spot. These black appliances truly are a headache. I can't keep them clean and you can see every single fingerprint. I don't know what I was thinking when I had the option of choosing white, black, or stainless steel. Now I'm going to show you guys my front living room. I have frames that need to be hung up and my son likes to take out his toys and then he tells me he's still playing with them and he doesn't like to put them away. But this is real life. I'm not just going to show you a clean house because that is not the case.
Give me some directions to get to you. Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Yeah.
Anyways, I don't remember if I had already shown you guys this plant, but I ordered it off TJ Maxx online and I think it is perfect for this spot. You know, before quarantine, I had never ordered home decor online, but so far everything I've ordered, I have absolutely loved. And now we're going upstairs so we can see what all has to be done. The only thing I do for sure every single morning is make my bed. My master bedroom has become my home office, but in next week's video, I'm going to show you guys why I can't work from my office from home.
I think about you, for you my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Now on to dusting. I know I've mentioned this before, but I like to clean my furniture with a microfiber towel and glass cleaner. I have done it for years and it absolutely works for me.
Just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. I live it, that's my true love, true to love. I love it, crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
In the bathroom, the only thing I did was clean the sinks with Lysol multi-purpose cleaner and I scrubbed them with a brush. I then cleaned my mirror and I disinfected the countertops with a Clorox wipe. I then vacuumed up the floors because I get ready in this bathroom and I have so much hair on the floor and carpet. So I quickly went and I vacuumed the master bedroom as well. This throw blanket I ordered through TJ Maxx online. And honestly, I think it is so pretty, but the texture was not my favorite. So I'm going to make my bed with it for a couple of days and we'll see if I end up leaving it here or move it to my son's room. And this is how my house ended up this evening. My son was hiding under his blanket and his toys were still in the living room. But they don't bother me because he will only enjoy being a kid and playing with toys for so long, and then I'm going to miss the days when he would play with his toys. So if this is how my house looks for now, I'm okay with it. So now I'm going to leave you with my last chore for this evening, folding and putting laundry away. You know, I used to sit on the carpet and fold my laundry there, but I wouldn't always put it away. And now, since I've been doing it on my bed, I have to put it away because I have already folded it and I don't want to have to do it again. Plus, I'm going to be using my bed later on tonight, so I have to put it away. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this evening, and I will see you in the next video.